We're going to be talking about something that is really fun, and that is a YouTube channel, and this channel is making $22,000 every single month. And how they are doing it, let's see. Right now we can see that this is a channel that is known as Funny Blocks, and they upload videos just like this. So this channel is quite amazing to be true. This channel is just pretty amazing, and they upload videos just like this. But you know what, this channel is actually good, but the amount of money that you generate is not that great. That means what? That means you get upon the base number of views, that is RPM. Now what is RPM? RPM means basically the revenue per mile. Okay, that is the money that you're getting on 1000 views. Now what happens is that whenever you actually go on to a specific way of understanding, that is the money that you are getting for 1000 views is really less in comparison to that money that you can actually get. Now let's talk about, for example, this is a channel that I'm going to be showing you. This is known as Einzelgänger. Okay, it's Einzelgänger or something like that. So this channel is based on, I think it's from Netherlands, I think. Okay, so this channel is based from Netherlands, and this channel is generating some really great amount of money. That is not just $20,000. This channel is generating almost 4 to 5 times. That is almost more than $40,000 to $50,000 real easily, with the help of the trick that I'm going to be sharing to you. So what they do is very simple. Rather than making how to make money online and all that stuff, they do something really fundamental, and that is, don't worry about Taoist, about Stoic ways. So these are timeless content. So they make that. So once they make all of this, they are going to be getting paid again and again and again whenever they make it. So you can see the views are going to be there for forever actually. So you can see up here right now that they are getting views just like this. For example, they're getting a constant view of like 150, 368,000, 354,000. So basically on an average daily they're getting like almost 10, that means 150 to 200,000 views real easily, and they are making some good amount of money. So you can see that this channel is actually growing. So you can see that onto the last 30 days they have got like 4.9, that's almost like 5 million views with the help of this channel. Okay, and they have got like 50,000 subscribers onto the last 30 days. Isn't that amazing? So this channel is having like 1.55 million subscribers, and this channel is doing really great. So how you can make a channel just like this? For example, if you open, for example, let's go on to this, keep it simple. So,
an ancient Greek philosopher named Epicurus.
So I know you might not be able to afford all these images. I'm going to be showing you that how you can actually do it. For example, if you click on here, and after that you will be able to see something really amazing. That is, you come into show transcript, and here is the simple version that I'm showing you, that is how you can actually get inspiration from. So what you need to do is pretty simple. For example, this is the title that they are saying, and after that you need to come into a software. I have given a link in the description. This is an affiliate link because I myself personally use it. That's why I'm recommending you. So I'm going to be recommending two actually softwares that from which you can actually do. Now another one, okay, I'm going to be giving you another software for voiceovers, and you can use it and it will be monetizable. For mostly for maximum channel it is getting monetized. Okay, so this is a website or software, whatever you want to say. This is known as a writer, and then you need to come into here, and then you can see onto the writer. So you need to choose the languages. So you can choose from all these languages that you want to choose, and from that, after that, you need to choose the tone that you want to choose, like assertive, austro, candid, casual, cautionary, compassionate, convincing, crucial, and critical. So you can choose the use case. So you can write it as a blog idea or outline, and brand name, business plan, call to action, copywriting frameworks, and whatnot. So you can use all of these. For example, I would prefer that if you want to choose something, just use the blog idea and outline. Okay, so we chose that, and after that we need to choose something that is minimalist philosophy. Okay, so this is a minimalist philosophy, and after that we will be going on to writer, and we will be choosing this. So we are going to be getting variations, how many variations we want. So we can choose number 2. So this is some assertive, some compassion. We can actually choose like formal, funny, convincing, humble, and informative. Some inspirational we want, and we can choose the creativity level. We can put medium and write for me. Whenever you do it, so you'll be able to see that it is writing. Okay, so this is the thing that you can see that this is writing for us, and they have given us something that is 6 ways to live a minimalistic lifestyle, why you should. So here is the introduction, benefits of a minimalistic lifestyle, so how to adopt, and now we can choose actually all of this. So here is this: minimalism is a lifestyle that provides more freedom. So here's the introduction, benefits, how to start living a minimalistic life. So basically you got all the content that you want. Right now you have got everything that you wanted. So now what you need is that after you get a script, you can actually take that script and copy and paste everything. For example, if we choose this one, and let's go on to Google so that we can actually write something that is minimalistic philosophy, for example. So we go on to the history and concept of minimalism, and I am going to be choosing a random article so that we don't have to write it right now. You should definitely be using writer because it's going to be worth it, and you're not going to be getting into any trouble, that is plagiarism and all that issues are not going to be a problem for you. So for example, the concept of minimalism, so we can choose this thing. Okay, so we can choose the whole thing, and after that we copy it out, and right now we're going to be going on to Pictory. Okay, so this is known as Pictory.ai. I've given a link in the description. I use it and I love it because it's not that you can say costly, it's really affordable. So I would say that buy the premium plan for yourself. So we need to go on to here, that is crypto video, and it is free to join in. Okay, so the sign up is free. Go try on, if you will love it, you use it. And the writer and the Pictory, both of them are completely free for you. So you can see that this thing, this is proceed script to video. So we actually write the whole thing out, and after that we cut it, and right now we give the video title, the concept. So right now we go on to proceed, and after that we can actually choose from all of the templates. So we're going to be choosing this corporate one, or we can choose the one that we want to use. For example, I would personally love any one of them because all of them are equally good to be true, and we're going to be using something that is totally amazing. So we can use this thing like caption, subtitles. I would prefer this one. So we can choose from the aspect ratio that is 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1, that is square. So we're gonna be doing continue. So all these things are free. Okay, so just go and sign up and use it, and after that writing video for you, that is so it is saying that please wait while the video storyboard is being created for us. So this is preparing for us, and the storyboard will be ready within few minutes, and we do not have to do all the hard work. All the work will be done by artificial intelligence, and we just simply have to patiently wait. We have to be really empathetic for the artificial intelligence system because they are doing so much hard work for us, and it is saving so much amount of time. Okay, so we are actually waiting because our article is almost ready for us, and you can see this is 100% complete. Yes, it within few minutes it is ready. So right now we can see, don't worry, the story block watermarks is right now there, but whenever you get this thing, everything will be changed real easily. So here you can see everything is being done, and we can choose and upload a voiceover if you want. We can actually change many things the way that we want. Okay, so it is quite opposite from, okay, so you can see all of this is being done, and it is estimated around 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Okay, let's preview the whole thing. Let's preview the whole thing out right now. So we can go up here, we can choose, we can actually do preview, and we can choose whatever we want. So if we want some background music, we can add it. We are not going to be using right now. So let's save the changes, and then we will be able to preview our thing. So this is preparing video for us. So whenever the video will be prepared, we can actually see this. So we can actually remove the pictorial branding from this. Another day, another story. So here will be our logo. So we can disable the intro if you want. Okay, so minimalism is about avoiding the unnecessary. It's about simplicity, utility, and elegance. So you can see this is being done. So since we actually have done this, and right now we can see it's all about less is more in terms of embracing. Okay, so you can see everything is done by them, and we do not have to do anything. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. Okay, enough of all of it. So right now, whenever you do that, you will be able to make something just like this, and more than that, even more than that. So how you can actually use some voiceovers is that either you can do it yourself, you can use Fiverr, Upwork, or you can go on to Clipchamp. Okay, you can go on to Clipchamp, and after that you can use it. It's by Microsoft, and I love it, to be true. I myself use it sometimes. So this is known as Clipchamp. So you can use this features. So there is a feature whenever you click up here, you will be able to see something really amazing. So there are some features that is text to video. Okay, so these are used by Google, Deloitte, Dell, Microsoft, and all these big companies. So there are some awesome features that is, for example, video editor, and here we can see text to speech. So this is text to speech, and this feature is completely amazing. You get all the voices that you want, and there are hundreds and hundreds of options, and the best thing of all, the languages that you get, the tonality that you get is completely amazing. So that's why I recommend to use Clipchamp for your video if you really want to enhance it, if you don't want to use your voice, or if you don't have that amount of money to invest in. But I would say definitely invest on writer and on Pictory. So if you can actually do it, it is really beneficial for you, because on long term you're going to be the gainer. And you can also use, for those principles, you can use some books, that is Audible subscriptions as an affiliate. You can give to people so that you get some extra money while till the time you are getting YPP, because from first day itself you will be able to monetize your content real easily. Okay, so enough of all of it. Now what's the thing that you must do is that take action, and don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff, because you need to comment down below what are the problems that you're having, so that I can give you my honest opinion about the whole thing that you're facing problem in. So enough of all of it, let's go on to another video, so that you will be able to learn more better in that, and after that you will be able to learn that what are the problems that you were facing. Thank you for watching, and that was all for today. See you again on another video.